Hello, Professor Sajari. This is Breeze Home version 5, and this is my video for the user story 2968, Input Validation and Functionality. The Mortgage Calculator team, my name is Ledian Nunez. The user story 2968 states that as a user, I would like to have an easy way to know if my input to the mortgage calculator tool is valid without having to analyze it myself. The acceptance criteria for this user story is that the tool should only accept valid input accordingly. The tool must provide data visualization. There must be a response from the tool in case of erroneous data input. The tool must provide the correct answer to the calculations. Let's move to our tool. Here's our tool. Our mortgage calculator tool is going to be loaded with the home price of the property that is displayed at the moment. For example, this is the home price for this property, and that's the home price that is going to be initialized our section right here. The down payment is going to be at 20% of that home price according to the loan type. For example, regular down payments should require 20% of the home price. FHAs require 3.5% of the home price. So in this case, the down payment, if we choose the option FHA, the down payment will be 3.5% of the 180,000. And the rest of the calculations will change according to the variations of the input. For example, if we choose 5.7 interest rate, the monthly payment will vary accordingly, as well as if we change the home price. Everything changes according to the input. I also included Espanol, so everything is displayed in both languages, English and Spanish. As you can see, we have that tool working also. Let's go back to English, and let's make sure that we're having the correct calculations. For that, I chose to compare our calculations to one of the most used tools on the market right now, which is the tool on realtor.com. And we see that we have right now our home price is $180,000, the down payment is $36,000, and the interest rate is 5% on a 30-year fixed loan type. Our principal and interest rate is $773 according to our calculations. If we go to realtor.com and we choose a similar property with the same home price, down payment, interest rate, and loan type, we have that the principal and interest is $773 a month. We have a small variations on the monthly payment, and this is mainly due to home insurance and property taxes. We have a small discrepancy there, but in our tool we're using the national averages for those sections. Their monthly payment is $1,056. Our monthly payment is $1,040. I also here we display additional information like the finance amount after down payment, monthly APR, the total payments on the loan, and the loan life interest. I also have some error messages in case the user inputs some erroneous data. Like for example, if we delete the home price, the system is going to require us to enter the home price, as well as if we have the same home price as down payment, that wouldn't be allowed. The system requires us to enter a different value on each case. Let's go back to 180,000. Same thing for interest rate. If we delete that input, the system is going to require us to enter a value from 1 to 18. 18 is the max allowed for mortgages right now. So we see, let's enter 20. It's going to require us to enter the right input. So as soon as we enter the correct value, the error messages are gone, and we can see our calculations displayed. So let's run some Selenium tests, see if everything is working on the right here. Everything is working fine on the tool. So I'm running 6 tests. I'm running the error messages on home price and interest rate. I'm checking if the down payment is what it should be, and I'm testing the links on the page that they're working correctly. So that one that we just saw is the home price input. Now we're checking the interest rate and the error messages. Now let's check if the down payment is what it's supposed to be according to the loan type. Now we're going to check the links. This one is taking us to the mortgage help page. That one is going to take us to what is a mortgage. As you can see, there's the information display. And the last one is going to take us to our main tool on the mortgage calculator page. There we go, all 6 tests passed, and we're good to go. Thank you very much for your time, and see you soon.